TAP. I'm Pask.
I'm Tom.
It's Tom.
Adam.
Adam.
Yeah.
And we're playing Kick the Tape Measure.
Make up a name.
Tom first.
So you can break it.
Tom missed.
Wait, one more.
He missed again.
Camera, I can't hit it. Fuck it.
Adam's go. Adam's go. Come on.
Yeah, so good at this stuff.
Tape measure's stuck.
Okay.
Someone grab the camera.
This is so gonna hit in your face again.
Ah, not this time.
Cheat.
It's Pask go now. Oh. Oh yeah. It's gone higher.
You're just gonna stack first.
Okay. Okay, Tom's go again.
I'm just gonna stack while doing it. That's it.
Adam's go. Alright, go Adam.
Wait. Safety.
Oh, you dig.
Ow.
Adam.
Oh,
Paul, go.
Right.
My go. My go.
People in the car are moving road tricks. Nothing.
This goes in out. This is a fun game. Tape measure kick. Oh, alright. Dude, this should be an Olympic sport. Got stuck again.
When they try to kick it. Oh, this is funny.
Go up. Hey, butt scratcher, butt scratcher, butt scratcher. Okay. Adam, you take go.
I got it up there, didn't I?
You take go.
I want to just kick it out the tree. Make it a bit lower.
My go. Oh go. My go. Yeah, my go. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is.
You gotta break this shit. Oh, you started like that. Stop doing comfy dance.
Wow.
This is a you win, Pask.
Hey, look at that. Look at that. Now we just kick it for fun.
That's just your trick.
Epic.
Epic. Boy. I'm talking to you. Send this into Toby Turner.
Wow. TAP come up with their own games and we play this. We are epic. Adam, you epic. Tom, you felt. You epic. We epic. Wow.
The tape measure is epic.
This tape measure. Epic. Where's the other piece? Tom. Ah, Tom's got a kite. It's all about this. Greasy wire. Butt scratcher. Adam took my board. Tom's there. Bye. I win.